Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Social Science online teaching classes from Vishwamanava Residential High School. My dear students, we have already discussed the geography part of the fourth lesson, that is Indian soils. Indian soils lesson we have already discussed the previous classes. We discuss various types of soils in India: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, desert soil, mountain soil. Then now in today's class we learn about soil erosion. We already explained the soil erosion the previous class, but today I explain briefly soil erosion. See, this is soil erosion. Soil erosion means the removal of the topsoil by natural agents is called as soil erosion. It is nothing but the removal of topsoil by natural agents. Removal of the topmost soil by natural agents like natural rivers, winds, glaciers, and sea waves. Because of these agents, the topmost layer wash away. That is, we call soil erosion. Understand? Then we discuss, that is it taking place many reasons or causes of the soil erosion. First one is deforestation. See, deforestation is the most important reasons or causes for the soil erosion. Then we can see overgrazing. Overgrazing, it is also the main reason for the soil erosion. Then shifting cultivation, faculty methods, making bricks, tiles, etc. These are the causes for the soil erosion. Then effects of the soil erosion. Because of soil erosion, what are the problems create? Since our natural surrounding, one of the effects you observe fall in agricultural productivity. The main important effects of the soil erosion are loss of soil fertility and fall in agricultural productivity. It is very important. Fertility decreases. Because of fertility decrease, there is low agricultural productivity. There is low agricultural production. Understand? The next, the main important effects of the soil erosion, it leads to silting and floods, change of the course of rivers, and reduction of capacity of the receivers. My dear students, because of soil erosion leads silting, floods, and even rivers can change course direction. And because of soil erosion, because of silting, the capacity of receivers will reduce. Silting is nothing but waste material and sediments. Waste materials. Silting, it is nothing but a waste materials. The topmost bottom of the legend that rivers gain, that is silting. That leads to reduction in the water holding capacity of receivers. Understand? Then groundwater level is low. Groundwater level is low and there is a decrease in soil moisture. And there is a decrease in soil moisture. Groundwater level decrease and decrease in soil moisture. Ground water level and so will decrease because of topmost layer will erode away. So the water is does not stagnate, so percolation of the water decreases. Understand? Then the amount of water leads down into the ground level decrease. Then groundwater level so also decrease. Understand? Then vegetation covers dries up. Then economy as a whole suffer a great setback because of soil erosion. Understand? These are the main important effects of soil erosion. Fall in agricultural productivity. It leads to silting and floods. Silting is nothing but waste materials. Then change in the course of rivers. Change in the course of rivers. Then reduction of capacity of the receivers. It leads to silting and floods. Then topmost bottom of the legend, the river gains, that is silting, that leads to reduction in the water holding capacity of the receivers. Then groundwater level, it is also low, decrease. Then groundwater level is decrease, then after decrease in soil moisture, vegetation covers dries up, thought increase, economy as a whole suffer because of soil erosion. These are the major important effects of soil erosion. Now we discuss, let us continue, that is conservation of soil. See, conservation of soil. How can we conserve? I mean, how can we control soil erosion? Soil conservation. First, meaning of conservation of soil or soil conservation. Protection of soil from erosion and preservation of fertility of the soil is called soil conservation. Preservation of fertility and protection of soil from soil erosion. Protection of soil from erosion and preserving of fertility of the soil is called soil erosion, soil conservation. Several measures are adopted for conserving soil. The various measures of conservation of soil. There are 7 major measures of conservation of soil. First one is afforestation and reforestation. Afforestation and reforestation. Afforestation and reforestation is the best way. It is the best way. Next, control over grazing. Control over grazing. See, this is the picture of overgrazing. Control over grazing. We should not grazing the animals frequently particular place in soil erosion. Understand? Then we have to stop the overgrazing. Then contour farming. The third major measures of conservation of soil, that is contour forming. Contour forming is nothing but flowing land or cultivation of land. Understand? Flowing land or cultivation of land across the flowing the water that reduce speed of water, then some percentage soil erosion will reduce contour forming. Understand? Contour forming, it is nothing but flowing land. See, it is nothing but the flowing land across the flowing the water that reduce speed of water done percentage. Then soil erosion will reduce contour forming. Then another important measure of conservation of soil is constructions of check dams. See, constructions of check dams, it is also major important measures of the conservation of soil. Conservation of the soil, constructions of the check dams. Then contour bunding. Contour bunding. See, this is the picture of contour bunding. Contour bunding, it is constructions of bunds to stop raining water to constructions of water there. Understand? Contour bunding, it is the constructions of bunds to stop raining water. Understand? To stop the raining water, that is contour bunding. It is also the major measures of the conservation of a soil. Then very important, that is gully control, bench tracing. Gully control and bench tracing. Bench trace. Trace forming, we call that, is nothing but level by level going to form and cultivate the land. It is nothing but level by level going to form and cultivate the land. So these are we observe the conservation of soil. Once again I repeat, measures conservation of soils. The major important measures of the conservation of soil, that is afforestation and reforestation. Then control over grazing. Contour forming. Contour forming is nothing but flowing land or cultivation of land across the flowing the water. Understand? Then constructions of check dams. Contour bunding, it is also constructions of bunds to stop raining water to constructions of the water. Then gully control and bench tracing. Gully control and bench tracing, it is tracing forming, we call that, is nothing but level by level going to form. Gully control and bench tracing, it is nothing but level by level going to form and cultivate the land. These are the major measures of the conservation of a soil. My dear students, today we learn meaning of soil erosion. Today we have learned meaning of soil erosion, what are the main important causes of soil erosion, and what are the major effects of soil erosion. Then what is conservation of soil and what are the major measures of the conservation of soil. My dear students, in Indian soils lesson. We have already discussed meaning and importance of soils in India. Then formations of the soils in India, types of soils and their distributions, then soil erosion, causes and effects, and soil conservation. What are the major measures of the soil conservation? These points we have discussed in this lesson. Okay, my dear students, chapter is completed. Thank you.